Good evening, Mom. I am Julia Isabel T. Esteban, 2A, PSITFSM. Topic C is about the role of international financial institutions in sharing and supporting the global economy. International financial institutions play crucial role in supporting the global economy by promoting financial stability and monetary cooperation among countries. They provide loans and financial assistance to a nation facing economic challenges, helping them stabilize their economies and reduce poverty. International financial institutions also support sustainable development and climate resilience through funding for projects that promote long-term economic growth and environmental protection. Additionally, they offer technical assistance and training to improve economic policies in institutions in member countries. Explain the role of international financial institutions in sharing supporting the global economy. International financial institutions play a key role in supporting the global economy. They provide loans to countries that are facing financial difficulties, helping them stabilize their economies. By offering financial assistance, help prevent economic crises from spreading to other nations. They also promote trade and investment, which can lead to job creation and overall economic growth. International financial institutions fund important projects that improve infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and schools, which benefit local communities. They offer expert advice to governments on how to manage their finance and develop better economic policies. Additionally, focus on reducing poverty and supporting programs that improve education and healthcare. They encourage countries to work together to tackle global challenges like climate change and inequality. Also help developing nations gain access to financial market, making it easier for them to grow. Overall, their effort aim to create more stable, prosperous world for everyone.